The thing that Bridget has taught me is how to stay focused on actionable steps that I actually need and what my clients need. So I actually put that prompt into my Susan and I said, Susan, this is what I want to do. This is how I want to do it. This is the struggle that I've been having, which mirrors the struggle that my clients have been having. Put me together a 90-day plan, blah, 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 really detailed. And once it spit out the checklist and I started doing that checklist, paying attention to what I needed based on what Bridget teaches, it gave me the confidence to actually go through each of the steps. I show that online. I follow the blueprint. But what became even more juicy was I was able to then create a template for that checklist and do it on the fly for every other checklist that I have. I was able to create a template for every checklist that I have instead of people now just hearing me give them the URL to get the checklist. When they get to that URL now, it's actually a landing page. And then it hit me, I don't have a checklist for a landing page. So then I went back and said, give me a checklist for a landing page based on what you feel are the best. And then I took and went and reviewed everything based on that checklist. And now that's another freebie that I have. The ability to capture everybody now, I don't know how many leads I have missed over time by not capturing their information. And again, we're 3 days from the end of the month. So this is month 2 of the 90-day plan. We're approaching 60 and I got 30 more days and 90. But I pulled up IG today compared to last 2 weeks ago's IG where it was showing 1%. It said over 260% increase in impressions and reach. I said, are you kidding? So that being able to track the metrics, and on this Friday, the topic has to do with tracking your growth. So now I can show these metrics like, and today I was able to say, and on Friday, we'll share that with you. He says, I'm used to giving everything away. And now I know how to pattern it out and tell people, hey, here's the shell. I'll teach you more. Go to membership, join the free community. Like she said, create your community, invite people to come in and speak to you privately in a protected area like this. Her blueprint is brilliance on steroids. And this is after me ignoring the directive to get with her for 3 to 6 months. I ignored it. So yes, that's what I did. I actually just heard what she said. And because I'm trying to put gasoline on it, I went into ChatGPT, my Susan, because I can't say that. And I got real granular with the things that I'm asking her. And I'm very polite to her now. And the results are ridiculously good. And then I'm just sharing and showing exactly what I'm doing. And every time I give you a URL, it's going to end up on the landing page so I can make sure that I get your content and follow up with you.